Happy birthday, boy. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti, tapos kapuro bisyo. And then, ingatan mo yung bola na binili natin kasi mahal yun. Huwag mo na bubutasin. Yan lang. Mag-aral ng mabuti, tapos huwag kang makulit. Love you.
Birthday, Tol.
Day boy, more birthdays to come, and lagi mong tandaan na kahit malayo tayo, I'm still your ate and I'm always by your side. You'll always be my Alexander, di ba? Wish na ko boy, more birthdays to come. Always be a good person. Alagaan mo yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Sila mami, si EJ lalo na. Kahit bunso ikaw yung lalaki, kailangan mo silang alagaan. And lagi mong tandaan na mahal kita. I love you boy and happy birthday ulit. Lakasan mo.
Happy birthday,
Day kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday boy. More birthday to come and more candles to blow. Unta di naka red flag sa babae. Bye. 2, 3, go. Happy birthday.
Ay boy, happy birthday day. Ako day ang bagong barkada nila Tibor. So, makaila tiga pon diri maabot ko diri. So, happy birthday Usab. Stay healthy. Stay guwapo. Mara to. Peace.
Hi boy, happy birthday. Wish na mo mong wish matupad. Mara to. Kabaw na ka to. Shot na ta.
Hello boy, happy birthday. Unta, magbanding na ta ninyo usab. Uli na mo. Mara to.
Ay boy, happy birthday. Wish you and everything. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More birthdays to come. Yes. Thanks. Bye.
Hi boy. Happy birthday. Unta paling ako sa birthday and maorat ko boy. I fuck you. God bless. Happy birthday boy. Wish you a this year and wonderful day. More chicks to come. Unta makakaon kami. Bisag na yung ka.
Hey boy, I want to say happy birthday and I hope enjoy your life and good health and bye bye. Mama.
Bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, bossy.
Happy birthday, boss. Sana madurog mo na ako sa basketball.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, teacher. Happy birthday. Hello, happy birthday.
Hello po, happy birthday.
Hi baby, happy birthday. I hope you fulfill all your dreams and keep healthy, especially your family. I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon. I love you.